What's going on, guys? Jonah with Toasty DIY here, and today Sihoo was kind enough to send us over one of their Ergo gaming chairs. So first I'm gonna unbox this for you guys and then give you some shots of it. Then I'm gonna give you guys some impressions on what I think about it. All right, guys, just wrapped up building this guy right here, and overall it was a pretty easy experience setting it up. Wanted to go over some of the things that I like about the chair. First of all, it reclines pretty nicely actually when you unlock it. No complaints really. The back of the chair fits really nice up against my back, and it also has some pretty good lumbar support as well. So I really can't complain about this chair that they sent in. I'm actually gonna be using this chair for my own setup at the office here. So, well guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this review today. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments below, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. My name's Jonah, and I'll see you next time.